Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raya and I make videos on conscious living from sustainability to personal growth and social good. And today I want to share with you 5 super easy sustainable swaps. So I know that some of these sustainable movements can seem really overwhelming, from low waste, zero waste, veganism. I get it. A lot of people can't commit to going all the way from the beginning. But if all of us could just take small steps every day, all of those added up would make such a big difference in the world. And these things I'm about to share with you are super simple things that you could order in the next 5 minutes and make a huge difference in your life and in the world. Before we get started, make sure that you're subscribed to the Kind Collective newsletter where we make conscious living easy and help you be kinder to yourself, to each other, and to the planet. And lastly, if you haven't seen, I'm currently doing a fundraiser to plant 10,000 trees. You should see a box either under this video or to the left or to the right, depending on where you're watching this. But if everyone watching this video just donated $1, it costs $1 to plant a tree, then we would hit our goal so quickly. So please, if you haven't already, make sure you go and donate. And without further ado, let's get started. So this first product is probably the thing I'm most excited about, which is hilarious because I never would have thought in a million years I'd be talking about this on my YouTube channel, and that is toilet paper. And you might be asking yourself, how can you be excited about toilet paper? Well, let me tell you. This brand is so cool. It's called Who Gives a Crap, which first of all is hilarious and they're just so witty on their packaging. But it's super cool because it's a subscription service, so you never have to think about buying toilet paper again because it comes straight to your house in a zero waste box. So the box itself is cardboard and there's no plastic packaging. As you can see, it is wrapped in paper. So all of it is recyclable, which is amazing. And for the toilet paper itself, you have 2 options. You could either get 100% bamboo or 100% recycled paper, and it's super soft. And probably the coolest thing, they donate 50% of their profits to building toilets in underprivileged areas, which is so amazing. On my travels, I've gone to a lot of places where unfortunately people don't have hygienic places to go to the bathroom, and especially girls on their periods. It's a big problem in a lot of the world. So the fact that this brand is doing so much, not only to help the planet, but to help other people, makes me so happy. So yeah, if you live in one of the countries that they send toilet paper to, make sure that you get some. And they also have other products as well, like tissues and paper towels, different things. So yeah, make sure you check them out. Also, none of this is sponsored, by the way. I'm not working with any of these brands, but I do have some discount codes, so make sure that you check out the description down below because you can get $10 off of this and a couple of the other things. So yeah, make sure you check that out. Next is another home product, which is another subscription service, which makes life so much easier, and it is called Drops. And this company is awesome. Again, they do different products from laundry detergent and dishwasher detergent and different things, but this specifically is the laundry detergent, and they just come in little pods, and they are fully plastic-free, non-toxic, chemical-free. They're amazing, and they have different scented ones, and they have ones for sensitive skin and stuff. So far they've been great. My clothes smell great and they're clean, so that's kind of all you need really. But again, this just comes to your door and you sign up for it to come however many months apart you want, depending on how many people live in your house, how often you do laundry, all that stuff. And this is another one of those things that you probably don't really think about, but everyone uses laundry detergent, and most people use those big plastic tubs, and the detergent itself is really full of chemicals and is just not good, especially because you're washing your clothes and then putting them on your skin, laying on them, your sheets, all that stuff. You want to be using non-toxic detergent. So yeah, this company is great, and I have another discount code for you. So again, make sure you check out the description. Okay, this next thing might seem a little random, but we're coming into the colder months, and my favorite thing to do in the evening when it gets colder is to light candles. I love them, they make my life so much better. But when I was looking for a lighter online, I was just thinking, I wonder if there is a more sustainable option than the normal lighters that we see, and I found this, which is so cool. It is USB chargeable, and it's long and can twist so you can light your candles, and it is so cool. Are you ready for this? Turn it on. How cool is that? That's how I light my candles now, and again, very random product, but whenever anyone that's been to my house sees this, they're like, what is that? I've never seen a lighter like that before, and they're so amazed by it. So I wanted to tell you guys about it, especially because we're coming to the colder season, so if any of you love candles as much as I do, or just use lighters for other reasons, you need to get this. The next super easy swap I have for you is floss, and again, this is one of those things that you probably don't really think about, but floss comes in plastic packaging, and the floss itself is actually plastic, which is horrible. So this is a much better option. The floss here is made out of silk, so it is fully compostable, and it comes in a little glass container, and it's refillable, so when you run out of the floss itself, you just order like refills, which come in a compostable bag as well. So again, I will link it all down below. It's just one of those things that I like randomly came across in a store and was like, oh yeah, why have I not thought of this before? So yeah, love this. And the next thing I want to share with you today is this. These are stasher bags, which are so cool. Again, I left this one in the packaging to show you guys, but I have a bunch more downstairs. But they're basically like Ziploc bags, but they're not made out of plastic. They're made out of silicone. So it says reuse thousands of times. They're reusable, they're machine washable. You can put them in your washing machine and they're great. And the other cool thing that I only just found out, you can cook with them, freeze with them, and obviously use them for storage. But you can microwave food in them. You can like put something in and put this in boiling water and cook it that way because it's silicone, so the heat doesn't affect it. It's so cool, and I can't believe that I didn't know you could cook with it before, so I'm definitely gonna try that out and let you guys know what I think of it. But yeah, if you use any kind of Ziploc bags or storage containers or anything, or if we're taking food on the go, these are great. So again, make sure you check them out. And that's it. I wanted to keep this video super simple because I've seen some of these videos on YouTube that have like 20 or 30 or 50 sustainable swaps, and I get it, that can be very overwhelming, but these are just 5 simple things, and like I said, if you could at least choose one of these things to do, then you're already making a difference, and then hopefully next week you can do another one, or tomorrow, or whenever. It's all about continually taking small steps in the right direction instead of seeing how far the end goal might be and getting overwhelmed and not taking any steps at all. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you plant a tree if you're watching this video and that you subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys very soon. Mwah. Bye!